all that is red urine is not hemoglobinuria. On the basis of pathology, on the basis of the color and other things, we can discriminate between hemoglobinuria, hematuria, and myoglobinuria. Hemoglobinuria can be defined as presence of free hemoglobin in the urine. It is as simple as that. So it is associated with red color or amber colored urine, or the shades may vary from reddish yellow to dark yellow, and the urine is transparent and it remains pigmented even after centrifugation. So this is one of the criteria where we discriminate between hematuria and hemoglobinuria. In hemoglobinuria, the color remains the same as it was early even after centrifugation, and in case of hematuria, once the centrifugation is done, the RBCs, they settle down, and the supernatant urine, it becomes colorless or light yellow to dark yellow, and at the bottom you get a button of RBCs. So this way you can discriminate between hemoglobinuria and hematuria. So these are the different colors. The extreme right side, it is a normal urine, and then the second one, it is little slightly darker. It may be because of some amount of hemoglobin, or it may be because of some oxidizing agents in the urine. The latter three, from the third to the extreme left, they are hemoglobinuria. The hemoglobinuria, or they may be myoglobinuria. So I will just tell in short how to discriminate between myoglobin and hemoglobin. This, the extreme right, this is a case of hematuria, and the urine while collection, it was like the reddish color which you can see on the left side test tube. Urine, when you collected, it was like that, and when you go for centrifugation, you see that the urine color was actually yellowish color, but there were huge number of RBCs which have settled down, and this yellowish color of the urine on top of that button of RBC, that is because of the rupture of certain RBCs when it was standing in the urine. Because of the pH of the urine, the some amount of, or some numbers of RBCs, they are rupturing, and that will impart some yellowish or orangish color to the urine. So this is a case of hematuria. So sample before centrifugation and sample after centrifugation. So this is the this is how you can discriminate between hemoglobinuria and hematuria.